Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, we're here at Automotive Logistics Mexico with Volker Vossler, Vice President of Operations for Seglo Logistics, a significant logistics provider here in Mexico and of course around the world. Volker, I wanted to ask you, how is automotive business developing in Mexico, specifically for Seglo Logistics in 2016?
I guess quite well. With the growing market we have here right now, we are participating in this market with new customers, with new products. We're introducing new products and services here in Mexico, and we're doing quite good with some of the participants here in the automotive logistics of the new OEMs, and especially for the new products or services we are trying to implement regarding the situation or changing or challenging the situation here in Mexico.
What of those sort of services would you say warehousing, in-plant logistics, which are the areas that are kind of growing most for Seglo Logistics?
Yeah, our core business is the in-house logistics and the digital services for our customers. We are pretty strong in this area now, and we implement new systems and also regarding the different structure we have here in Mexico, which is built now in Mexico. We're starting to implement different kinds of supply methods for our customers, and with including step assembly with value-added services what we're doing now, and it's going pretty good. So far.
And what do you see as a sort of top challenge looking out now for you specifically in Mexico?
Yeah, we have a lot of growth. It's also a lot of competence. Yeah, that's for sure. We heard a lot of this today. Obviously, the labor issue is something to get qualified workforce. We have established already for some years our training centers here, and we are strengthening them right now and offering our customers also the staffing services for logistics personnel and for industrial personnel with a specific qualification. And the other point is obviously infrastructure. I know some people won't like to hear this so much, especially from the government, but maybe we're a decade behind the requirements, and there will be problems for sure. I think they will be solved. But that will require a huge effort from everybody. It won't be so easy as it appears maybe from some point of views right now.
Do you have worries that, say, in 2020, when the volumes go up 5+ million, that the logistics capacity issues may stymie growth in any way?
Yes, the thing is we have another challenge here. For example, there's the investment for the infrastructure, for example. Not the 100% of each peso spent or dollar really reaches to the ports, to the streets, to the highways, to whatever, because there's also a point of corruption we have here, and we know this. And there's a lot of money here, and I think more than sufficient could be used a little bit more efficient, and that is a point. And so we will go still for a lot of years a little behind the capacity. And we have seen today a lot of these problems were remarked, and we have to handle them. The solution will not in place when we will need them. So we have to do things quite different, and you need to have the experience how it works here in Mexico, so that you can handle this parts and be prepared for it. And so you need a little bit of experience. We fortunately achieved in the last years. We already established here.
Well, thank you very much for sharing your views here with us today. I think it's clear that issues around training, around infrastructure, and around also corruption are important issues we will continue to address in this conference and beyond. Thank you.